In this video, we demonstrate how to install an SD card in a V380 Dual Lens PTZ outdoor Wi-Fi camera and configure recording settings for continuous or movement-based recording. Before you install or remove the memory card from the camera, ensure that the camera is powered off to safeguard both the card and the camera itself. Open the memory card waterproof case, which is available on the bottom of the camera. Insert the memory card as shown in the video. The camera will support up to 128 GB of memory, use accordingly. To insert or eject the memory card from the camera, gently push on the card. The maximum 128 GB SD card will record footage for up to 2 weeks, depending on various factors such as video quality and whether continuous recording or event-based recording is used. After installing the memory card, turn on the camera. Note, the newly inserted memory card must be configured for the first time. Once the camera boots up, you can configure it using the mobile app. Turn on the camera and wait for it to boot.
Camera is starting. Please wait. Network connected.
Open the V380 app and navigate to the camera section. Click on the 3 dots icon within the camera section, then select Settings. The camera settings will appear. Select the Recording Settings option. Here, you can see the memory card storage status, including the free and use space. If you want to start recording fresh or if the memory card is in abnormal status, you can format the SD card by clicking on the Format SD card option.
Formatting. Formatting completed.
You will hear a voice prompt once the memory card formatting is completed. Once again, navigate to the recording settings where you can check the status of the memory card. Additionally, you can configure motion-based recording or continuous recording with either high definition or standard definition video quality formats. The successful memory card setup will display the recording mode status icon when the camera is in live stream. On the camera live page, click on the Playback option to view recorded footage from the memory card. Here, select the memory card option to view the recorded videos. In this playback, the videos are categorized by timeline and event group. Select any one that is convenient for you. Here, there's currently no recording available to playback the video because the camera has just started recording. We can check back on the recording after a few moments. Now, we can see both continuous and event-based recordings as per the recording configuration under the microSD card option. To switch to the timeline option to view continuous recordings, scroll the timeline bar to adjust the timing. The event group shows movement-based clips available when motion is detected and recorded. Also, in the playback footage, you can capture snapshots or download clips to store them in your phone's memory, corresponding to their respective icons. If you found this video useful, please consider supporting us. Your support enables us to create more informative content like this and continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether you choose to like, share, or subscribe to our channel, every bit of support means a lot to us. Thank you.